way that he's performed in recent months for Manchester United. I can totally understand why. Vastly experienced and quality footballer.
Antony has also been recalled by Carlo Ancelotti to the Brazil squad after a brilliant season with Betis out on loan. He's still got a very big game to go this evening. We are underway, just struggling to keep hold of him. There's been early opportunities down that right-hand side for the... slip through from the... Good ball and an excellent touch from to Aguero. They take a bit of breaking down. It's a poor layoff from Rasmus Højlund.
Clinging.
You've Buchan, who actually is sort of switching between... Here comes the free kick. Up and over the wall, couldn't get it back down again.
Not really enough pace on it, was that?
Adamson's going to... Diogo Dalot fires a cross in. Casemiro.
So narrow. He had a lot of time and space there, Diogo Dalot. I'm not quite sure why this back five of the Asian...
Way around the Asian region. Brought clear by Reyes. This is intercepted by Morehouse. On field, Diogo Dalot swings across in towards Dorgu.
To do with that. I can't imagine.
Got the ball at his feet, such good balance in terms of... Diogo Dalot with a bit of space, gets another cross into the penalty area. The offside flag is going to go up though. And Goyen, who managed to get in behind, is flagged offside.
He'll probably be a little bit annoyed because the pass should have come earlier. It was the right pass but at the wrong time. And
Asian All-Stars. Comes short to the edge of the penalty area. Goyen's going to have another. Can Casemiro gets his shot away as well. Takes a big deflection on the way through. Will be a corner at the other end of the field.
Yeah, he's been lively in these opening 13 foot.
Free ball from Mainoo to Casemiro. Out swinger. Let's go. Sergio Aguero. Winged into the penalty area. Harry Maguire just couldn't get his feet sorted out. It's behind. Rasmus Højlund looking to Dorgu, back to Mainoo. Mainoo looks to get the... You were playing an all-Malaysian team, I guess.
I suppose.
He tries to get one towards the back post, and Harry Maguire, who did look like he was being impeded by Amani Aguinaldo. Between the lines, it's well collected by Morehouse. Back into the box, the offside flag surely is going up. It hasn't done so yet. Shot comes in, it's over the bar. Here's a goal.
Ball. Positive Jack Morehouse, and that's what the manager would want.
Way Morehouse, Højlund. Casemiro was trying to play that one. Swung into the penalty area, headed away, out of trouble. Given back to Koulibaly, who has a go. That's going to be another corner. Manchester United under a little bit of pressure here.
Yeah, you just watch for...
Right. Looks for the back heel. Keely Adamson. Koulibaly. Mainoo comes out to press. There's the free kick to the back post. And it comes in from...
On a few occasions now where he's gone 50, 60
The last game of the season for Manchester United. Højlund in the squad. Here and Goyen twisting and turning, manages to evade the challenge as well. Looks to get much. Here's the delivery to the back post. Maguire heads it down safely into the hands of the Thai goalkeeper Kamai. Maybe a chance at the other end here for Ngoyan. United have got a couple of players back here, and Goyen twisting and turning, manages to evade the challenge as well. Looks to get the shot away. It's going to be all challenge that came in. Dorgu. The ball into the box is going to go behind for a goal. Been cleared though, and Asian All-Stars in. It's a big stop from Andre.
Will play the full 90 in both games.
The ball to the edge of the... We were saying about this being energy sapping. Half. No harm, no fun. The conditions that we're playing in.
He has on the bench available.
Leaves this for Agate. Lacey. By the looks of things for Manchester United, that's a more advanced role, and he's got better and better in doing. Make a clever run, Shea Lacey. me. Fun to watch as Kobbie Mainoo's going to have a go from distance. It forces a decent stop out of Kamai, who gets down smartly to his right-hand side to push it around the post.
Well, it's the first shot that United have had, really, in 30-odd minutes. I'm going to disagree with you, Liam. I thought the goalkeeper made a bit of a meal.
It into Hoyland, moves it on to Mainoo, finds Dorgu. One back though by Sekou Kone. Kone driving up towards the edge of the penalty. Defender nips in and takes it. Dorgu back to Agate. Mainoo. He's been busy and then misplaces the pass. Mainoo in the penalty area, and then he needs an option which he hasn't had. Oh, not it back down, chance! Oh, it's blocked off the line. Again from Kobbie Mainoo, having his shirt removed as well. Dorgu with a step over, looks to swing the cross in. Takes it. Lacey had something of the magic feet about him. That's a Manu Agate. It's absolutely brilliant on the edge of the penalty area. Looking for Lacey. Lacey's got something on it. Dorgu's Kone actually across that back three. Dan Armour's a left footer playing on the left. Ruben Amorim.
I thought he might.
Right hand side, and we've seen that Aidan Heaven. Okay. Won't fall over too many of them. In here, gets the ball and pulls it back brilliantly for Rasmus Højlund to get away. Does really well to get across Sekou Kone. Dorgu. Thought it was going to be a tap in, a lovely shot, a lovely block goes in, and then as Patrick Dorgu gives it a go, stabs it straight at the goalkeeper.
Really good, Jayden Camerson. It's exactly what you want to see. Good strength as well.
Segacic is in behind here for Manchester United. It's the byline. Waiting for that one, just gets his toes stuck in the Evans, clears it away. No, just too big for Tudor. Away by Delbridge. Done really well, headed away. So for 3 step overs, going to play it off to sort of wait, didn't he, for the reinforcements. Read by Tyler Fredrickson. Fernandez on the volley. Well, opportunity for ASEAN All-Stars. They've opened the scoring. Wang Luin. A brilliant ball through to find the number 11, and he laces it home right-footed. And on 70 minutes, Manchester United are behind. ASEAN All-Stars 1, Manchester United 0.
Well, it's a great ball. It's a really great ball. Complete defence-splitting pass. It's a very, very composed finish as well by Wang Luin. Just a little bit of space. I said that he was lively in the first couple of minutes of seeing him, Segacic, and it's a really, really good spot. Plays the ball inside Godwill Kukonki, who won't be happy with his position.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ازيكم يا احلى متابعين؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير. النهاردة هنفرز القرنبيط. طبعا احنا في الموسم بتاعه، هنحطه في الفريزر بيقعد معاكي من السنة للسنة، ما بيجرالوش اي حاجة. طبعا انا سلقته معاكم قبل كده، هو كده معانا مسلوق. انا سلقته وحطيت في مية السلق شوية ملح وشوية كمون. بعد كده بطلعه في مصفى، طبعا بيبقى 3/4 سوا، لان الفريزر برضو بيسوي معايا الحاجة، ما بسويهوش سوا كامل. بطلعه بقى في مصفى يصفي ميته قبل ما احطه في كيس التفريز. لازم يكون عندي بارد خالص. وفي التقطيع بقطعه عبارة عن شرايح بالشكل ده، ما بقطعهوش وردات ويبقى كبير، بقطعه شرايح معايا كده، بتبقى كده ايه سهلة معايا، وبيبقى حلو جدا في النهاية. بعد كده لما بحمره بتبقى كلها واخدة طعم التتبيلة بالشكل ده. هبدأ بقى اجيب الكيس اللي هبدأ افرز فيه، وادخل معايا كده القرنبيط المسلوق في الكيس، وبطلع بقى كده منه الهواء. ببدأ اقفل كده طرف الكيس من الجنبين، وابدأ اطلع الهواء كده منه من الحتة الصغيرة اللي انا سايباها مفتوحة، وبعد كده بقفله. وبالشكل ده بحطه بقى معايا في الفريزر، بيقعد معاكي ما شاء الله من السنة للسنة، حلو جدا. يا رب الطريقة تكون عجبتكم.